Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making sourdough discard chocolate chip cookies because I have here a big jar of my sourdough discard, and it's one of my favorite ways of putting my discard into good use. Okay, so let's start baking. The first step is browning the butter, which cooks off excess moisture and helps balance the wetness of the sourdough discard. This gives the final bake a dense, chewy, not cakey texture and adds deep, nutty flavors, similar to toffee or butterscotch. This is 1 cup of butter. After browning the butter for about 8 to 9 minutes, I'll transfer it to a bowl and let it cool. So while the butter is cooling down, let's mix our dry ingredients. I have here the flour. That's 2 and 3/4 cups of flour. I'm gonna mix 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3/4 teaspoon of salt. The butter has cooled down and I'll add 1 cup of dark brown sugar, half cup of light brown sugar, 2 egg yolks, and 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I'm gonna mix it together. Then I'll add my 2/3 cup of sourdough discard. I'm gonna stir it until well combined. I can smell the nutty flavor of the butter. It smells so good, guys. I'm gonna add the dry ingredients. Medyo masakit lang sa braso sa pag-mix. Now I'm gonna use my spatula to fully combine the ingredients. Make sure to scrape the side of the bowl kasi merong mga nanigas na flour o nadikit na flour. You can also use a mixer with a paddle attachment para mas madali at pantay ang paghalo ng mga ingredients. Now we're ready to add our chocolate chips. This is 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and half cup of dark chocolate chips. Yeah, you can reduce the chocolate chips if you like. Pero sa akin, mas masarap pag maraming chocolate chips. Ayan, it is well combined na, and for better flavor, we will put it in the fridge for an hour. Let's just cover it with plastic wrap. So while the dough is in the fridge, let's clean up our mess. We're ready to mold our dough, and I forgot to mention a while ago, guys, that after combining all the ingredients, you can directly bake it, or you can sit it in the fridge overnight for a better flavor, or that ultimate chocolate chip flavor. And I'm already preheating the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And make sure guys to put gap in between the dough kasi magpa-flatten siya pag binik. Now we will put this in the oven for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
A few moments later.
And this is our chocolate chip cookies, fresh from the oven. So we will rest this in the pan for 5 minutes and then we will put it in the cooling rack after. So we're done baking the cookies, and for this recipe I made 24 yummy cookies, and it's time for me to do the taste test. Mm. It is soft and gooey, and the difference of these cookies from the cookies that I made back then is that it has that nutty smell which adds flavor to the cookies. That's all for today's kitchen adventure, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.